This is a refrigerator from KLARSTEIN, 210 liters, which is supposed to hold your drinks and bottles. Class A energy, 43 decibel. This is, how does it show in context? And yeah, with a glass door that can be mounted on both sides. And this is the real product. This is how it looks like. Brand is KLARSTEIN. This is the view, lateral side view. And it can be configured from 1 to 10 degrees of temperature. It has a nice feature that light can be turned on, and is deep enough for 1.5 liters bottle to fit into it. The space increases. The trays can be placed in, removed or placed in different heights depending what you want to put in the fridge. I had to move this one to make sure my Spumante Prosecco Italian wine bottles fit in it. Only the last one is a bit shorter because there is motor and other stuff. So very nice optical. It weighs about 50 kilos. Not extremely heavy to transport. It is possible to mount the door on the other way around. There is a little bit of machinery to be done. I left it in the position that it was shipped to me, but is it possible to mount it? It is fairly silent, I must say. Warps matte a little bit, but not too much. The material is matte black, so allows some customization or decoration. And it comes with a nice manual that we now look in a minute. First thing, I wanted to show you the measures. So you can read it on the website. So it's about 40, what is it, 47, 48. But actually internally, measures are hard to find. So in effect, the useful internal space is 40 and the depth is 47. This refrigerator took about 1 hour to cool down from 21 degrees to 5 degrees. And there is this permanent light inside that can be turned off, which gives a nice atmosphere when looking at the fridge during the night. The cable is not extremely long. I didn't measure it, but I would say it's probably 1.5 meters. And yeah, that's it. Very happy about it. Enough space for various things here. Unfortunately, when you look at the advertising on the internet, they only put little bottles and cans. But as I can show you, you can easily fit 1 liter, 1.5 liter bottles.